Good morning, Baleria. Brad Plauche coming from Howdy Honda. I got your email looking for CRV LX Still Night Pearl. It is here and it is available. Let's check it out. Here's the stock number right there. Okay. It's got window tint with a lifetime warranty. Check out the back here. Hydraulic lift. It's got floor mats. Oh, this one's got a cargo tray in the back. Nice. Here we go. Rear wiper, rear window defrost. It does have rear AC. All season floor mats. Plug in right through the USB for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Got 40 miles on it. There's your backup camera with 3 views. Give me a call, 737-239-7621. Brad at Howdy Honda. Thanks.